If you're having trouble with finding the right combinations when it comes to your foundation, your colors just kind of seem off and you cannot achieve the flawless makeup look because this happens a lot of the time, you're not alone. And welcome back to my makeup troubleshooting video where I'm going to go ahead and help you figure out what you're doing wrong so that you can go ahead and achieve the makeup of your dreams. In this episode, we're going to be talking about quickly of color variation and why it's important whenever you are color matched to your custom makeup palette that I am color matching you to, that you are really starting with your starter collection that will have your main colors in it that you are using to get you started, and why the highlight shades, as long as you are having the highlights and the contour, are so important. Let's go ahead and get into it. As always, if you have not gone ahead and liked this video or even subscribed just yet, make sure you like and subscribe because I love to be able to teach beautiful women just like you so that you can be comfortable in your own skin and go ahead and be elevated in your life and lifestyle. All things beauty when it comes to makeup, skincare, and hair. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Let's go ahead and talk about color variation today when it has to do with your all-in-one custom makeup palette. If you have not been color matched, head down to the description, fill out the quick color match form so I can go ahead and color match you. For those of you that are watching this video, you haven't received your color match, you haven't ordered just yet, or maybe you have, this is going to explain exactly why having the right color combinations make the biggest difference, why you shouldn't pick and choose what colors that you think that are going to match you. This is where we go completely wrong and have the mentality of being in the store and trying to match our skin with one bottle. We don't do that here. With your all-in-one custom palette, this is a bigger palette. This is the size 12. You can see on the top here, on the bottom, this is a bronzer and an illuminator, so those really don't count. And I'll show you the size 8 that I actually color match you to. These are my color combinations right in here that you're seeing. These are the colors I am right now. It doesn't look like it is, but it definitely is. This one looks like it's way too orange. This one looks like it should be spot on, but if I wear this by itself as my main highlight, it's way too light. This one is my under eye shade, and that is my contour. These 4 colors are my combination to give me that beautiful finish that you're seeing for my base, where my chest, my neck, and my face match. So many people, when I color match them, they want to just pick what highlights they want out of here when they're not understanding that these 4 colors is what is needed to give me the perfect color combination. The reason is because you're not the same color every day. You're not even the same color from month to month, even if you're in the same season, because we get a little bit lighter in the winter. Obviously, we get darker in the summertime. And if you get severely lighter or severely darker, yes, we will do a recolor match, and you'll have to add maybe 1 or 2 shades to make sure that you have the right color combination. When you start out, we do fluctuate just a tiny bit, depending on what our body is doing. Sometimes when it's that time of the month, we can seem more flushed than other times. We can seem like we're just a little bit darker than other times. It happens. And that's why having the right foundation that gives you flexibility is important, and why I love 3D. This is the actual size that I color match you to, and this is the size 8. This gives you everything as a starter kit to get you started, to give you different look combinations from the back, from the lip and cheek, your color correction, bronzing, being able to have that really polished finished look. You'll get everything with the 8. That's why I build it, and I stress, do not change anything in this palette, especially on that top layer. You want to keep all your highlights. You want to keep the contour as well. With these colors, when we're using them, I want you to think as if I took all these colors on the top and I emptied them into a bottle, and I just sprayed the bottle on the face, and it does this. It gives me a balanced, beautiful, natural looking finish when it comes to the base of the makeup. That's what this does. If you have the wrong colors, you're gonna know it. So if you picked colors on your own, or you only picked 2 or 3 colors, or you left one out and your color combination or variation seems off, that's why. It could be that you just completely shaded out and this doesn't match you anymore because now it's spring and summer. You've been spending more time outside, or maybe you have lost color. Or maybe you have a lost color from the summertime because it is now the winter season. You want to make sure you have the same color combinations that you are needing. Eventually, you probably only get color match 2 times. Most people get color match in their darkest season, and then they get color match again in the opposite season. And that gives you the right colors that you need to go ahead and mix and match. My biggest recommendation and why I build the custom palettes this way is to make sure you're using color combinations, especially for your main highlight, because you can bounce in between this color and need a little bit more of the darker one or a little bit more of the lighter one, depending on how your skin tone is fluctuating, because it's going to fluctuate whether you think that it is or not. It does. And this will give you the colors that you need to go ahead and bounce in between. You can even have a color combination and variation with your under eye highlight, which would be your brightening highlight, which would be the lightest one as well. It's not really recommended, but you definitely can mix those colors later on once you get comfortable with using your makeup. If you are noticing that my colors just seem off, these are the reasons why. So let's do a quick review. It could be that you only ordered a couple of your colors and you didn't get what's recommended by your personal custom color match, the custom color match. If you color matched yourself or you did one of the bundle pre-built, that could be a reason, because those colors might be off. If you're only getting selected based off of what you want to go ahead and pick and you did outside of the recommendation, usually that is the main culprit. The second reason is that if you do have your color match, you could just be using too much of one of the colors and you need to use a little bit less. Especially this happens with your main highlight. Using those in combination, which we see this, me do this in videos all the time. I'm just going in and trying to look and see and match the chest, the neck to the face. I'm using those 2 main highlights in order to go ahead and do that. And you see me just like swatch it on. Simple and easy to go ahead and do. If it seems like it's a little too dark, you just need to use less of the darker one and a little bit more of the lighter one. Lastly, it could be that you completely shaded out of your color match, because when you got color match before, it was the summertime or it was winter time. Now you're in the opposite season and then you either gain color or you lost color and you need your second color match. Let me know in the comments what it is that you're struggling with. Hopefully this made sense to you. Know that whenever you're watching the videos and watching me live do the makeup, this helps so much just by following along, because I do the same exact thing on rinse and repeat every single time I do my makeup when I'm applying it, because I know that you guys are definitely watching. But even when I'm doing it at home, I do the same thing on rinse and repeat each and every single time. So let me know what questions you're having or what your struggles are when it comes to your color combination and variations down in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.